is another video in the series I'm doing for what we're taking on our Disney cruise. We are going on a 5-night Halloween Disney cruise out of San Diego. We live pretty close to there, so we're excited to be able to get to go. This section is for, of the video that I'm doing is going to be what I'm taking for my son. He is a 3-year-old, almost 4. He'll be 4 in November, so you know, boys I feel like are a little bit easier to pack for than girls. My son Cole knows what he likes and just likes comfort and pretty much t-shirt and jeans kind of kid. So let me show you what I'm taking for him for our cruise. Pretty similar to what things I'm bringing for my daughter, but let me show you and let's get going. Okie dokie, so for him, I'll start kind of over here with the Halloween stuff like I did for her. I got these Disney shirts for them. They have matching t-shirts from the Disney store from last year. This was from the Disney outlet store. I said in my previous video when I packed for my daughter, we have a couple of different Disney stores here in Las Vegas, and which is really nice. So we have regular Disney stores, I think 2 of them, and then just the 2 separate Disney outlet stores also. So we're kind of spoiled. So this came from there. It is the mummy part of Mickey Mouse is glow in the dark, so you get it in the light and get it in the dark, it glows, and they just absolutely love that. This year I got us matching Disney shirts, the whole family, my son, my daughter, my husband, and I. They're different variations of these little melting shirts. My daughter's is Minnie Mouse, and Cole's there is Mickey Mouse Frankenstein. He thinks it's so cool. We went to Downtown Disney, over to Anaheim for a baseball game and Angels game a couple of weeks ago for my husband's birthday. We always try to hit Downtown Disney, and I was so glad we did because all the Halloween stuff was out. And my son absolutely just 100% loves Jack Skellington. He loves The Nightmare Before Christmas. Even though he's a little bit scared of the movie, he loves the songs. He loves music. He loves to sing, and Jack is his man. So he got this shirt. I did get it a little big. I always feel like Disney stuff runs a little smaller than normal, but I did go ahead and get a little bit bigger so that way he could wear it throughout the year. We have another trip planned in December down to Anaheim to Disneyland, and I want him to be able to wear that then too. So I think it's just so cute that he loves Jack and he's not scared. He has a Oogie Boogie light up necklace. I might have to try to find that. He got that last year when we went to Disneyland for Mickey's Halloween party, and it kind of is a lanyard that has Oogie Boogie on the bottom and it glows. And he may want to take that. I'm gonna have to check in with him and see if he thinks something he's interested in. Little man with opinions. I also got this little baseball tee. It's like a 3/4 sleeve, or I guess it's a long sleeve for him. It says "All the Ghouls Love Me." I got this off of the online boutique Sparkle in Pink. Super cute. He had one similar to this one year when he was a little guy, and it was just so cute. I just loved it. I was glad to be able to find another shirt for him. Zulily had some sales on Nightmare Before Christmas stuff, so I picked these up for him. He loves to wear socks. He's a sock connoisseur. Him and his dad both do, and they are just Jack Skellington and have a little bat with the moon. I do not think these glow in the dark, but still super cute. So we're going to take those with us. I got the kids matching pajamas from the Disney store. Kendall's are Minnie Mouse and his are Mickey Mouse, and it's kind of looks like an old school Mickey. I just think they're so cute. Little bats on the pants. So he's taking those with us. And then I just brought his other 2. He's got some other pajamas, some Avengers ones, some Star Wars ones. He's a big fan of Chewie. He's never seen Star Wars, not really interested to, but he loves Chewie, and I think that's just the cutest thing. A couple pairs of swim trunks and a swim cover-up to take with us. I am bringing just an extra few pairs of shorts for him, and a few extra shirts, just kind of mix match for him. He doesn't really, boys, I feel like you can kind of just mix and match everything, and they're so much easier to pack for. There's not as many accessories and those type of things. So I am taking a little sweatsuit outfit for him. Again, we're going down to the Pacific coast of Mexico, Baja cruise down to Cabo San Lucas and Ensenada. I imagine it will be pretty warm. I don't know, if there's a storm or something. I know on the Pacific coast, if you're at the beach, it can be kind of chilly. So I always like to make sure we have layers to kind of pack with us. I don't think we'll need any long sleeves. I think just, sweatshirts. I got this at Old Navy the other day. They had a big sale. It says take it easy. This one says take it easy. And I thought that was just perfectly appropriate for our cruise. It's nice. We live in Vegas. So it's something he can wear for the winter time here. It is not very cool here. So we spend a lot of time in summertime clothes. So it's nice to have layering clothes. I'm also going to bring him this little hoodie, this little sweatshirt that we got at Disneyland. Oh, well, we didn't get it at Disneyland. We got it to take with us to Disneyland when we went earlier in the year. We went in April. And I actually found this at the Disney Store outlet. It was on sale. It was like $5. So we're lucky we had that here, and he loves Mickey Mouse too, so I thought that was just perfect to take with us on the cruise to have at nighttime in case it's chilly. So let's see, let's go over here to what I'm bringing for him to wear for dinners. He's got this little, I guess it's a little toucan shirt and some little green leaf looking shorts. I just love this little outfit. His sister has one that kind of goes with it, so they can be coordinating. They're 2 and 3, and I just love to, they don't necessarily match, but I like for them to coordinate. It is just the cutest. So let's see, I'm going to put these up. Those were extra that we're not taking. He has this little yellow shirt from Carter's that he's had for over the summer. It has a little sailboat on it and some little anchor and sailboat khaki shorts that go with it. We kind of try to coordinate sometimes as a family too. I know that there's like a semi-formal night, so I want him to kind of have a few nice things to wear to dinners. Not a ton. I don't know that I'm going to bring all these outfits, but I definitely want to make sure to have some things for him to change into during the day, wear play clothes, and then nighttime have something nice, because inevitably things just get stained. We're hard on clothes around here at this age still. Got this little outfit this summer too. I think this one's just from Walmart. Walmart has the best little prices for kids. And Target too, the Cat and Jack and this 365 Kids. It has a little shark on it. Probably like every other kid. It's preschool aged in the country right now. We are all about baby shark. Do. So anything we can find with sharks on it, we are 100% about. So bring it over here. We have another shark shirt. This is just a little tank top that he's had for the summer. I have a Captain America, his #1 favorite man, shirt here also, and then Spider-Man he's also a big fan of. And his sister has a little Woody t-shirt that was a hand-me-down from him, so he's going to take this one, and just some shorts that kind of match, that he can kind of wear any of these shorts, I feel like, with any of these shirts, so works out good. Boys are easy, like I said. Have a pair of jeans, a pair of khakis, just in case it's cool inside the restaurants. I want to be able to have something that's, a little bit nicer looking to wear into the restaurants with it in the evening. I have some brighter colored clothes here, just a shirt and a pair of shorts and another shirt and a pair of shorts to take with us on the cruise, just so that way we have it. You never know with kids and what they're going to do. I have this outfit laid out. It's just another polo set. I don't know if I'm going to bring that or not. We'll just have to see how much room we have in the suitcases and those type of things. But it's also really cute, and these shorts are really super silky soft, so he likes those. Also bringing his little soccer. He doesn't play soccer. He's played soccer 1 year, but he loves to be a soccer player. So I'm bringing his little Umbro soccer outfit. He just loves to wear this. It's super soft. That's probably why. And he just thinks he's a big shot when he wears that. I am going to bring some hats. He's going to have to choose which one he wants. There's this Avengers hat he likes to wear. It's a flat bill hat, makes him look like such a big boy. And then there's this, his favorite hat, his Cars hat, Lightning McQueen, Mickey Mouse hat that we got at Disneyland when he was 2, and he just really loves to wear that. His, he calls it the Claw hat, but little alien guy is from Toy Story, with his name on the back of it that we got him at Disneyland. And I am for sure going to bring this second pair of ears hat for him. It's a Captain America one. It does not have his name on it. I actually got this at the Disney outlet store. We just went one time, and you can find all sorts of things there, and just looking around and was able to find that. We snagged that for like $3. So it was really a good find. And I had asked if you could get it embroidered for the back if you took it to Disneyland with you, and they said that a lot of times you can't bring your own stuff in to embroider. They're afraid that they're gonna mess it up and then be liable. And I mean, it sounds ridiculous, but yeah. So we didn't have that one embroidered, which is fine. Socks, a bunch of underwear. I'm bringing his little rain poncho with us. Forecast says rain, but I do know that Cabo and Sonata are kind of in a drought, so I don't know 100% if we're going to need those, but I want to have them to take with us. We are doing a cruise tour, or I guess an adventure, whatever they're called, in Cabo San Lucas, where we're going to have a beach break and a little port cruise around to go look at Los Arcos and some of the other marine life there on a little catamaran or something like that. So I want to make sure that we have protection in case it does rain. Nobody likes to be soaking wet while they're doing those type of things. I am bringing his little Mickey Mouse trick-or-treat Halloween bucket. It is a Halloween cruise, so they will be doing some trick-or-treating. I got this last year at the Disney Outlet store before we went to Mickey's Halloween party at Disneyland last year. I think it's like $10 or something like that. The kids have matching ones, and they're just fun. Those little eyes, I think, glow in the dark, if I remember right. I don't know, not 100%, but yeah, so we're going to take that with us too. Last but not least is his little Halloween costume. He is a big Toy Story fan still, so he has chosen Woody from Toy Story. We got both of their Halloween costumes at the Disney store. I feel like, they're expensive, but they are worth it. It is not cheap material, and I feel like they will last. They both are very into playing dress up, and these will be good costumes to go into that with. So that's kind of where we're at with packing. I mean, we still have, this will just be their clothes. They're kind of little accessories. I have toiletries that I still am going to do a video on for packing as well. And then also kind of accessories or some special things that you're supposed to bring for Disney cruises that we're going to be participating in. We're not doing fish extender gifts or any of the pixie dust or any of those things this time, just because it is our first cruise. I don't want to feel the stress of having to worry about that. I want to be able to enjoy it. It's our first family vacation, just us four going together that we're going to be doing something. So I just want to soak in all the moments with my kids and my family. If we do another cruise, I think we would probably maybe participate in the fish extender gifts. I think that looks like a lot of fun, but I just don't think I am up for it this time, to be quite honest. So more videos to follow. I'm going to do a pack with me for my my suitcase and the things I'm going to bring for me, and then also I'm kind of going to group like the toiletries, accessories, those type of things that we're bringing for our kids in a separate video. So look out for that. Anyways, and I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you real soon.